Casa Hormiga is a single-family home situated in a neighborhood setting in San Fernando, Zona Norte, and adheres to local regulations. The primary focus of the renovation was to preserve the character of the existing building while introducing a light structure to seamlessly connect the original house with the new additions. The exposed brick facade has been intentionally left bare to showcase the original construction. Above it, the top floor features sleek white sheet metal cladding, highlighting the contrast between the old and the new elements at the front of the house. The dynamic facade is further enhanced by sliding, folding sheet metal shutters. The renovation took advantage of the existing building's potential by removing secondary partitions, creating a more open and fluid floor plan with generous spaces and increased natural light. This process also generated a courtyard that adds light and a new landscape element to the home. The courtyard creates visual permeability, integrating the courtyard, gallery, and garden into a cohesive sequence. New elements were added only when necessary to enhance comfort and functionality, ensuring that the integrity of the original structure was maintained while providing modern conveniences.